Hi everyone, it's Lisa Brady, day 4 of the 12 days of Instant Potting. Okay, so one of the things I really love about my Duo Plus model that you can find on QVC is the fact that I can do sous vide in here. Sous vide is a really new way of cooking, and I remember like a year ago I was at the Chicago Houseware show and someone said something, or maybe it was 2 years ago, about doing a sous vide machine. I was like, sous what? Like, what is that? Like, nobody does that. No. And I walked away and I'm like, that's never gonna, work. People aren't gonna do that. Well, once you do it, you know why you do it, okay? Because you get great food. The food, if you're doing a beef with the steak, it's like so moist and juicy. Moistest chicken breast I've ever had was done in my Instant Pot Duo Plus using the sous vide function. Okay, so here's how easy it is. If you're not sure, don't forget my Instant Pot Basics cookbook that is available on QVC.com, as well as the Duo Plus Instant Pot pressure cooker. I picked out page 105 here. All right, this is a balsamic glazed top sirloin. I give you the instructions, the recipe, the ingredients, everything that you need to know to do sous vide here. And what I love about it too is, don't forget, you saute the steak in here after you're done. You don't have to do it on the stovetop and dirty another machine or a pot. Okay, so sous vide, so simple and easy. First thing you're gonna do is fill your pot, your stainless steel insert, to the fill line with hot water. All right, use hot water because it'll heat up faster. Then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put your lid on. You're not doing it under pressure, so you can press the release button. You don't need to build pressure. This is how easy it is. You're simply gonna hit your sous vide button down here. Then you're gonna hit your plus or your minus to raise or lower your temperature. Once you get to the temperature you want, you're good. Then you're gonna hit sous vide again. And that's when you're gonna change, using the plus or minus, to change the time, as long or as short as you want. Follow your recipe, that's all you have to do. Super simple and easy. That's it, walk away. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna prepare your food that you're gonna put in the machine. I use my foodsaver, love my foodsaver. Vacuum seal your meat, like if you're chicken or beef or whatever it is you're doing. Once it reaches temperature, drop it in, put the lid back on, and walk away. It will cook on its own. It'll let you know when it's done, all right? And then you're gonna have the moistest, tenderest chicken breast, beef, whatever it is you're doing. But here's the beauty again, don't forget, when you're done sous vide, don't forget you're not cooking under pressure. But when you are done, what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your stainless steel insert out, you're gonna drain the water, put the insert back in, and if you're doing the steak, now put a little bit of oil or whatever you want in the bottom, and you're gonna saute just to brown, because don't forget, sous vide's not browning your meat. It's cooking it in a water bath, right? At a specific temperature. So you're gonna wanna brown it afterwards, do it right in your Instant Pot, then put this in the dishwasher or just hand wash it and you're good to go. That is day 4 of your 12 days of Instant Potting. I hope you're liking what you're learning, and I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'll see you tomorrow night.